The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, it is really unfortunate for me to say this, but this is another sad news again. Alright? Now there's reports out there about a female, and this female is said to be 27 years old, that has been stabbed to death by her boyfriend. Now viewers and subscribers, in one report it says that the person is said to be an ex-boyfriend, and in another report it is said that the person is her boyfriend. Alright, but however, whether ex-boyfriend or boyfriend, you know what I mean, the point remains is that this female had been stabbed to death and this person had been accused of the murder. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, according to reports out there, and I'm going by one report right now, is that this incident had happened in the parish of St. Elizabeth, and it is said that it had happened in the southern part of the parish of St. Elizabeth at a place that is known as Brinkley. You know, that's if I pronounce it right, but it is said that it had happened at a place that is known as Brinkley, that is of the country of Jamaica, right? Yeah, so that's of the parish St. Elizabeth, Brinkley of the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, this incident said to have happened on the 12th of January 2020. You see me? Sometime after 10 p.m. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? Now, according to reports, is that the female had moved out of the house that she was staying at with the person that is said to be boyfriend. But however, she was staying at a relative's home or a relative's house. Alright? At some time after 10 p.m., they heard screams coming from the room that the female was staying in. You know what I mean? And it is said that persons went to check to see what was happening, why this female had screamed, and it is said that the person that is considered to be the boyfriend was seen running from the scene of the incident. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, it is said that the female was seen laying in blood and had multiple stab wounds to the upper part of the body. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, according to reports, is that the person that is accused of the murder had been turned in or handed over to the police by his father. Alright, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that what I just told you is based on a report that is out there, and there might be more information about the incident that had happened. Alright, and also please bear in mind that I just explained to you based on how I understand the report that is out there, and that it might not be exactly word for word as how it has been said in the report that is out there. Alright. So anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, the years, so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.